Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a fan of Squad Busters and playing on your mobile or iPad in 2025, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into the best settings to supercharge your gameplay, making it smoother, more responsive, and way more fun. Whether you're battling it out with squads or going solo, these tweaks will give you that competitive edge. First up, let's talk graphics. With 2025's advanced hardware, I recommend setting your graphics quality to high on devices like the latest iPads for stunning visuals without major lag. But if you're on a mid-range mobile, go for balanced to keep frame rates steady at 60 FPS. This ensures you can spot enemies quickly without your game stuttering during intense moments. Next, controls are key in Squad Busters. Enable the Precise Touch option in settings to reduce input lag. It's a game changer for quick dodges and accurate shots. If you're on an iPad, pair it with a controller for even better precision. Don't forget to adjust the sensitivity slider. I suggest medium-high for most players to strike that perfect balance between speed and control. Audio settings can make or break immersion. Crank up the sound effects to max while keeping music at 70% so you can hear footsteps and alerts clearly. For mobile users, enable spatial audio if your device supports it. It's like having surround sound in your pocket, helping you pinpoint enemy locations. Performance-wise, always toggle on battery optimization for longer sessions, especially on mobiles. This mode intelligently adjusts CPU usage without sacrificing too much quality. And here's a pro tip. In 2025, Squad Busters has new AI-driven settings. Turn on adaptive performance to let the game auto-tweak based on your device's heat and battery level. By using these settings, you'll not only play better but also enjoy the game longer without frustrations. Give them a try in your next match and let me know in the comments how it goes. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.